Everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. What we are doing so far is we are making a frame for a sofa. There are two ways we do our frames. We make them from wrought and we also make them from wood, but for now we are doing it from wrought. So before weaving, we always have to make sure the frames are fabricated, just like you're seeing right now. What is happening here is we are grinding the bottom of the stand, as you can see. Thereafter, we are bending the stands so that it can be able to support the sofa. As you can see, what it's doing, the bottom frame is being made, as you can see there. So the kind of welding we are using is called arc welding. We always make sure it is well adjusted so that it doesn't, there is not so much spill of the weld. As you can see, we have to use 6mm so that we are able to cover the holes. So this kind of sofa has a is not the ordinary kind. As you can see, the kind of work that is being performed here. Yeah, again, as I repeat, that is called arc welding. What you're trying to do right now is to do the joinery and make sure that all the crevices are properly covered. That is part of the armrest that is being woven. So thank you so much.